Morning Year 9. So this week we are going to continue with making sure that you know what has happened in An Inspector Calls and you know some of the important parts of the plot and each character. So to start with today, I'd like you to think about what was Mr. Berlin like throughout the play, and if you could make a comment about the characters and responsibility, what would it be and why? So today's lesson is a little bit of a challenge, okay? So what I would like you to do, based on obviously the revision that you should have done last week, I want you to see if you can tweet about the end of each act in An Inspector Calls, okay? The challenge is it can only be 250 words per tweet. So there's 3 acts, so that means you've only got 250 words for Act 1, 250 words for Act 2, and 250 words for Act 3 to summarise everything that happened in that act. So once you've had a go at actually writing the tweet itself, you've then got to come up with 4 hashtags for each tweet, okay? So here's my example. Obviously, I'm not down with the kids, so that's why it's Twitter and not Instagram. So Act 1, Eva Smith is dead. But who done it? Mr. Berlin is in the chair first, bad boss man. Couldn't even bear to part with an extra shilling. Then Sheila, a spoilt little rich girl, couldn't stand the fact that someone looked better than her. The inspector is taking no prisoners. Oh wait, what's that? Gerald Croft? OMG! Hashtag suicide, hashtag investigation, hashtag Act 1, hashtag don't mess with the Berlins. Okay, so I know you've just really enjoyed my reading of that, and obviously this is a super exciting task for you to do today. So you've got to write one of those for each of the acts. It's got to include all of the important details, okay? And then you've got to come up with 4 hashtags for each tweet. I've obviously given you a whole lesson to do this because I want them to be really good, and I really want you to focus on trying to only do it in 250 words. And then if you can send them in to me, and then I'm going to pick a winner. And there's a show my homework quiz, so make sure you do that.